Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Merrick Bank credit card. The Merrick Bank credit card is designed for people looking to build or rebuild their credit. It's a good option if you have a low credit score or limited credit history, as approval is easier than many other cards. One benefit is that it reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping users show positive activity over time. Some versions of the card come with an initial low credit limit, but it may increase after consistent on-time payments. There are no security deposits required for the unsecured version, though annual fees may apply depending on your offer. The mobile app helps track payments and account details. However, the interest rate is quite high, so carrying a balance can become expensive. It's best suited for those who plan to pay off their balance in full each month. Merrick also offers free access to your FICO scores, which is a nice touch. While it doesn't offer major rewards or perks, it fulfills its purpose as a credit building tool. The pre-qualification process doesn't affect your credit score, which is great for shopping around. Overall, it's a simple, no-frills card that helps users get their credit back on track. Just be mindful of potential fees and high APRs. It's not the flashiest card, but it gets the job done. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.